Not only the first two-mode hybrid propulsion system in an SUV, the 2011 Yukon Hybrid is the best. This patented hybrid technology optimizes fuel economy for various driving conditions. A sophisticated control module helps determine the amount of power or torque that's required at a given moment and seamlessly selects the appropriate operating mode. A 6-liter Vortec V8 engine with active fuel management technology that automatically shifts from 8 to 4 cylinders when less power is needed propels the Yukon Hybrid. Ride in luxury with the available multimedia navigation system and get the most out of it by using Yukon's available rear view camera system. New aerodynamic refinements such as a lowered front for better aerodynamics, an aluminum hood and liftgate for reduced vehicle weight, and lightweight wheels with lowest rolling resistance tires available on a full-size SUV all help Yukon Hybrid maximize fuel economy. The 2011 Yukon Hybrid. Everything you'd expect from an SUV with hybrid excellence.
Contact Jim Ellis Buick GMC today or stop on by. We're conveniently located inside I-285 on Peachtree Industrial.